Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tony McKeage and today is Thursday the 2nd of September. So we're on the second day of official spring and I'm back here at the lagoon checking out the local birds. Now there's probably not as many around as what I hoped, because we've had a fairly still day after some fairly windy sort of days. What I'm guessing is that those that can have disappeared off to get food. Now you'll remember that I talked some time ago about the idea of having a theme of local birds or inhabitants of the neighbourhood. I'm coming back probably a little bit early, first day of spring and all that sort of stuff. Sort of almost half expected to have some young chicks and that floating around, but there's not. We haven't got blossom on the trees yet. Yeah, that's really a bit soon. But hey, I'm going to mosey around my spots and try and add on a few spots over the next 2 or 3 days and put this video together. Thank you very much. back at the lagoon, and it's Saturday morning, just about 7 o'clock, and I'm hoping that the still morning will have a few more birds around than the other day. Already I can see, just driving up, that there are more birds out there, and including different species. We'll crack into it. I'm going to focus mainly on stills today. Trying to get the video the other day was a bit frustrating, and I need to do some more work on that. So thank you for your time, and we'll crack into it. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed the video as much as I have enjoyed making it. If you've watched the video this far and enjoyed it, please like the video. If you're new to the channel and enjoy my content, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to give me some feedback, please put some feedback in the space provided on the YouTube page. Thank you very much for watching. I certainly appreciate it. Thanks again. See you next time.